Hello, in this video I will help you insert screenshots or photos in Keynote for the Mac. It's very easy to do. Let's start with the most easy way. Let me go to any website, and of course I need to do this responsibly, but for the sake of tutorial, I'll hit Command-Shift-4 and I'll take a screenshot of this nice photo from the Apple website. I hit Command-Shift-4 and I use the crosshairs to collect this with my finger touching the trackpad. Now I'll go back to Keynote and I'll have a few seconds to drag this over here. This is the most easy way to do it, but of course I need to go back and rename my file if I want to save it for future use, etc. But it does work. I can do resizing and I can do some things such as add borders, etc. if I wished. So let me show you the next step is if I want to have a little bit more control, I'll want to use the templates and I will want to use this button right here. If I click on this button, I can go and I can choose a photo. So here's a photo that I took to remember an important part of the great Ted Lasso show that I wanted to remember. So there's no spoiler alerts, but you can use this for any photo that you want. So those are two very, very, very easy ways to add images to Keynote on the Mac. I hope this helps. Let me know if I can help you more.